Stock number 23104, a 2022 Ram 2500 front clip. Had the 6.7 Cummins diesel. Cowl cut through the windshield, through the floor. It's got some damage here to the driver's side fender and the hood. No fog lights in the bumper. Looks like two small dings, probably from a loader moving around the auction. There we go. Ding here on the passenger side fender. Like I said, the hood will need to be repaired. A little bit of crinkle here in the grill. Headlights are good. Some dings in the driver's side fender. Cooling's nice and complete. You got your turbo intercooler in there. Pipes there. Pop this open. Gonna have your radiator, condenser, fuse box, washer bottle, coolant bottle, power steering res. Core support is complete and intact, which will be hard to find. Check on this side. Battery trays, fan shroud for the fan blade, just nice and in there. There we go. All right, 23104, 2022 Ram 2500 front clip in stock now.